Namaste. I am N.G. Srinivas, Academic Administrator of Vasvi Vidyaniketana English Medium High School and Director of Vasvi Educational Trust. And I am the President of Patanjali Yoga Shikshana Samiti and ex-President of Vasvi Vijana Sangha. In the rural community by giving quality English medium education for an affordable cost, and for the need of the era, we are constructing CBSE International School, and I request everybody to join your kind hands in this noble cause.
Namaste, I am Dr. Premi Yogi. I am the President of Vasvi Education, Vainaskote. Vasvi Educational Trust is a non-profit rural trust. So, our aim is to provide quality education for the village poor at no profit. So, we have started our organization in the year 2003. We started our school in a old rented building in 2003, and since then, by collecting donations from our trustees and also noble-hearted public, we have provided two modern school buildings, one a primary school inside the town and another high school 1 kilometer away from the town. Both provide very good classrooms, laboratory and library facilities, and play rooms for the kindergarten kids, and all the facilities like smart board rooms for smart class teaching, and the result has been very good over the past more than 20 years. Since 2003, I am happy to say every year we are securing 100% results in the state board exam, SSLC exams, and also more than 70% of our students, we are glad to say, score first classes and distinctions. And though we are a private school, we are providing 40 scholarships to poor meritorious students every year. And we are serving a population of nearly 50,000 from the Vainaskote and also the surrounding villages. And the parents nowadays want more quality education and central board education for the children for a brighter future. So, what we are doing is construction of a CBSE, Vasavi CBSE International School adjacent to the existing high school in the same premises. We have got an area of 3 acres of playing field and place to build our school, and this new school is coming up very fast. We have already spent nearly 70 lakhs rupees on the construction of Vasavi CBSE International School, and it's a big project which needs around 2.5 to 3 crores. So we need larger donations from the noble-hearted public and also other people and organizations. We expect that to come because we are a serving institution and we are a non-profit trust, and it's a rural trust. We are serving our people with a good heart, and we expect donations to come in the coming year. So we want to complete this project in the coming year. So I would request all the people, organizations and donors and other trustees to give us maximum cooperation so that we can provide quality CBSE school for the rural poor people. So thank you.